So let's talk about the common mistakes with the jab. The jab is like the most important punch in boxing because it's your offense, it's your defense. If you want to keep somebody away, you jab them. If you want to start a lot of your combinations, it's the jab. And here's the problem that a lot of people do with the jab. The jab is it's a straight punch, right? And you've got to kind of turn over your fist. And you can also lean in to give yourself a little bit more of a reach. But the jab, it has to be quick. Like snap, and then bring right back to your chin or forehead area so you have protection, right? Because as you're jabbing, you might get hit. So you always want to bring it back quickly. And what I see a lot of people is they don't punch from like the kind of the inside. They punch like, and they stab at it. This is like if you're first month in boxing, you may be doing this. You may be doing something like that, or just a light tap, or this could be how your jab looks like. But what it should be like is snap, snap and bring back, snap and bring back. And it's a full extension punch, which means your elbow, you shouldn't, nothing like this, right? You should, so fully extend your arm and give it a good smack. If you're hitting somebody like mitts or a punching bag, you should give it a good smack, bring it back. Smack, bring it back. Smack, bring it back. You always want to be on your toes and smack, bring it back. Smack is my own technical term. That's not a boxing term. So that's the most common mistake that I see with the jab. People don't snap it. People don't use it like straight. They kind of leave, maybe they only extend their hand partially. And by the way, if you're new, that snap, quick snap motion, there's a lot of things involved here, and if you haven't trained or stretched, you might pull something, or so be careful. You don't want to do like a snap and do something weird with your shoulder or elbow. Stretch before and make sure that your hand gets used to the motion before you give it that extra speed. That might be a good way to help you avoid some injury.